Lighting the Kinara, a glimpse into Kwanzaa celebrations. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful tradition called lighting the Kinara as part of Kwanzaa celebrations. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about different cultures, you're in the right place to learn something new and interesting. Let's dive into the significance of this ritual and what it represents. Kwanzaa is a week-long celebration that honors African heritage and African American culture. It is observed from December 26th to January 1st each year. Kwanzaa involves music, dance, storytelling, and, most importantly, the lighting of a candle holder known as a Kinara. This celebration emphasizes values such as unity, self-determination, collective work and responsibility, cooperative economics, purpose, creativity, and faith. The Kinara is a candle holder that plays a central role in Kwanzaa celebrations. It holds 7 candles, each representing one of the 7 principles, or nguzo saba, of Kwanzaa. These candles are black, red, and green, which are colors of great significance in African culture. The black candle, placed at the center, symbolizes the people. The red candles, on the left, represent their struggles, and the green candles, on the right, symbolize the future and hope that comes from their struggles. The ritual of lighting the Kinara is both symbolic and reflective. It begins on the first day of Kwanzaa, with the lighting of the black candle, symbolizing unity. Each day thereafter, another candle is lit, moving from left to right, from the closest red candle to the closest green candle. This act of lighting a candle each day encourages participants to reflect upon the principle of the day and how they can apply it in their lives. Lighting the Kinara is not just a ritual. It's a time for families and communities to come together, share meals, exchange gifts, and commit to the principles of Kwanzaa in their lives. It's a reaffirmation of their values and a celebration of their culture, history, and community bonds. Through this ceremony, participants find inspiration and strength in the principles that guide them. Thank you for joining us to explore the beautiful tradition of lighting the Kinara during Kwanzaa. We hope this video has enlightened you about the rich cultural significance behind this practice and the values it represents. Whether you're learning English or learning about different cultures, understanding traditions like these can enrich our perspectives and connections with each other. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.